What's up, y'all? Here at Darien Lake, Six Flags Darien Lake with the family. Just chilling. Just gonna have a day of it with the fam, so I'm gonna just be taking some footage. Maybe once in a while say something and just document it. It is what it is. Later. Chilling with the fam at Darien Lake. That's what we doing. It's Darien Lake. My wife and my kids are about to get on this bad boy ride right here, and I ain't with it. I'm not getting on it, but maybe y'all can see it, hopefully. Kind of going blind, but they're about to get on this ride. It's important to spend time with the family, and I'm glad I came out. Usually I work all the time, shooting videos and reviews, but it's family time.